Welcome to Slime It Yourself. I'm Abram. Welcome to Slime It Yourself. I'm Abram. And I'm Abby. And today we are going to be making thick and glossy slime. All you need is half a cup of clear glue. Then you'll add another half a cup of white glue. And then 8 squirts of baby oil. And then your activator. Too much. And that's how you make a thick and glossy slime. Make sure to like and subscribe for more slime videos like this.